Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I am going to talk about um, how to cure anxiety, nervousness, and worrying. Before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help y'all grow out. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to talk about like how to cure anxiety, nervousness, worriness, stuff like that. I feel like when you are very sensitive, like to energies and stuff, like you're, especially if you're an empath or you're very clairsentient, like you feel things and you feel energies and stuff like that. Um, I've noticed like you tend to be like very like anxious, nervous, stuff like that. You're not grounded, so like you tend to just like worry and just get overwhelmed by sensing your own stuff and then picking up on other people's stuff and then taking it as your own. So I'm gonna help you on tips on how to deal with that. Stuff like that. So we have what's called a mind, body, and spirit. So spiritually, you want to make sure you're grounded. You want to make sure that your chakras are open, balanced, no blockages, stuff like that. And then you have the mind. You need peace of mind, and the mind is connected to the body. Your body, you want to eat healthy foods. Like you want to cut out like sugar, alcohol, fried foods, fast food, preservatives, canned foods, um, packaged food. Like you want to really cook your own meals and really like from scratch, and also to, fried food, sugar, salt, all of that increases anxiety. And I've been working on my diet. I've been eating a lot of vegetables, salads, brown rice, some chicken, and and eating a lot of veggies and stuff like that, and fruit, and that I felt less bloated in the morning. I feel like I have like more energy. I'm in a better mood and stuff like that. And also too, like my stomach like it's more lean, like more slim, more lean. I feel like I'm not as bloated when I wake up in the morning. Stuff like that. So definitely eating healthy is really a really good way to decrease anxiety and worriness and stuff like that. The body also to work out. I started eating healthy and then working out. I lost a lot of weight, and then also to like, what else was I gonna say? Working out like puts me in a really good mood. Like when you sweat and you work out, like you're sweating all the toxins out. I feel like all that toxic energy. And also too, like after the workout, like my body may be sore, but like I'm in a really good mood. Like I just your brain produces like endorphins and stuff like that when you work out. It's a chemical that feel good high. um so that definitely helped with my anxiety, and it definitely helped with my stomach and stuff like that, and my digestive tract and stuff like that. So definitely do that. Um, Also too, like meditate. Meditating, like just closing your eyes and just breathing in all the way down to the belly. Because I know a lot of people like when they breathe, they tend to breathe like right here. When you breathe, feel the air go into your belly and then blow out. And all you have to do is just clear your mind. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, I can't meditate, I can't do this. But just close your eyes and just relax. Just focus on relaxing, focus on your breathing. And then the rest, like, once you got that, then just imagine the rest of your thoughts. When you concentrate on just relaxing and stuff, because you're so busy like focusing on relaxing, like your mind and everything starts to declutter and then starts to fade and stuff like that. And imagine, and once you start relaxing and breathing, then focus on like clouds just drifting, like your thoughts and everything just drifting on clouds, and they're moving, and then all it is just blank space. And that's kind of like a way to meditate, and you will just it's scientifically even proven that that reduces stress and anxiety and stuff like that. So definitely that. You want to drink a lot of water. So I think it's how much you weigh divided by two. I think that's the number of ounces of water that you need to take. I just drink a gallon of water a day, so that's kind of like what I do. Um, and that really helps and keeps me hydrated and happy and stuff like that. Um, yeah, so next on the list is also stay away from like sugar, energy drinks, fried food, alcohol, salt, processed food, high fats, and dairy too. So like cheese and stuff like that. I heard cheese and dairy stuff calcifies the pineal gland, so you want to stay away from dairy too. But I know like sometimes I can't help it. I love cheese, so you know. Um, so also too, like the next step is your life purpose. So I noticed like when my life purpose is that I read people. I read energy. I heal people through reading energy and stuff like that. So I emotionally heal people and stuff like that. Um, so when you're not aligned with your life purpose, like for me, like I felt like my life fell apart. Like the stress and anxiety was so bad. Like I was just always stressing out, anxious, nervousness, stuff like that. It's because you're not aligned on path, and also part of it is too that you're not aligned with the light. So when you don't align with your life purpose, you align with the dark and falsities and stuff like that. So you tend to attract more darkness and stuff like that. But when you do your life purpose, you align to the light, and then positive things start attracting, and then like peace of mind and all that stuff, like on an energetic level, like that stuff starts working, and then physically you'll start seeing the results too. So that's what I've noticed too. Also too, like positive affirmations too, like waking up in the morning and saying your positive affirmations, and then going to bed at night and saying your positive affirmations, like that stuff totally works. And like that stuff really like um it works. And honestly, like it puts you in a better mood and brain waves and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend that. I feel like I also had like another tip on like anxiety, nervousness, and worriness and stuff like that. Um, Also to like get a massage, to like um, self care, stuff like that. That really helps, and everything like that. Um, and then also the last tip that I was gonna say too is like if you have a pet or just go to animals, did you see animals like try to pet them, like that reduces stress and anxiety, and they are naturally grounded to the earth, so like their energy can definitely rub off on yours. Definitely go out in nature, like in lakes, rivers, anywhere where there's nature and stuff, and just walk around, like also walk around barefoot like at the beach and stuff like that. That will help you stay grounded, and that will definitely help you be more in tune with yourself, and everything like that. So definitely these are like my tips and tricks on how to reduce and how to really permanently get rid of anxiety, nervousness, worriness, stuff like that. So yeah. So if this resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a great way to help your girl out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.